On top of the morning, guys. This is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. I'm open about, and I just want to share a small insight. Yeah, man. Just a small chit chat. Yeah, man. As a yard man, I've been up and active and all over the place. Yeah, man. And where work is concerned, I believe that when you work, you should get paid, no matter the circumstances. And I don't know if I put this across, guys, but ever so often I find myself in that position where I will work and don't get no pay. Or somehow the pay doesn't reflect in my account. But life is what it is. Sometimes you have to take a day out and, you know, address some matters. But as I was saying, it actually cuts very deep. Yeah, man. So I'm just saying this so all you all out there that, you know, is in charge and responsible for, you know, giving a man what he actually deserve. When you work and you don't see your pay reflecting in your account, are one of the roughest thing. Not to mention when you basically work from paycheck to paycheck. For me, guys, anyone that knows me know that anything I'm doing, once I set hands on it, I try my best. Try my best to do my best. I try not to break things, guys, no matter what. Sometimes, off the camera, you will have so much ideas to put them together and, you know, share with ones and ones, share with you all. But somehow when the camera turn on, I would say, I would say, um, a lot just start go through the minds of put it together. It's a bit unscrambled, but enough of that. Yeah, man. This morning I'm up and active and I'm actually put together some ramen noodle, guys. Just about the usual. Yeah, man. And I soak up the country breeze. It basically, well, on the farm as usual. See if we can pop a door. There are certain matters that, you know, need to be addressed. And yeah, I would say, hey, away yard life at about. Yeah, man, there is a lot of things to elaborate on, but I have to take the time out and approach them slowly, guys. Yeah, man. As I said, I'm not the type of person to break in. I'm trying to build. Yeah, man. I don't know about you all, but from my heart, I'm honest, being honest now. I honestly want to see a better Jamaica, a better tomorrow. And not just a better tomorrow, a better world, man. Some people that say, you know what, that's too far fetched. What if people try before you and didn't get there? But I believe that you see, when you start making changes within yourself, it eventually rub off on others. Yeah, man. And I'd said this is not the time to get bitter and, you know, be sad. As I said from before, ever so often I find myself in that position where, you know, go up and active and I put in the work, and I expect to see more reward. But there is nothing there. Yeah, man. But you can't make that stop you. Still have to get up, get about, and get out there and do the right thing. Yeah, man. So much to be said, so much to be done. But as I always say, as time progresses, I'll fill you all in. Yeah, man. I'm not that much of a talkative person, even though you know you have to talk a lot on YouTube. Yeah, man. But I love and love alone, guys. Yeah, man. I do appreciate y'all support. Yeah. So when y'all see me up and active and doing my SMRs and spending time on the farm, it's not that I don't have anything to say to y'all. I have so much to say, but I'm taking it one step at a time. And this to share with you all. Go where love leads you. Follow your heart. Yeah, man. Sometimes it can get so distracting. Yeah, man. But it's good for you. Find time to center yourself. Yeah, man. Self love is the greatest. Once you know how to love yourself, believe, man, all of this will fall in place. Yeah, man. And even for the ones out there that, you know, hold the other side of energy, believe in them, man. Eventually they'll come around. Knowingly, the love within you, it grows. Yeah, man. So not because you get your little dividends that make you get upset. Yeah. As y'all can see, this morning I'm going through a lot, guys. Or a lot is going through me. But I'm actually giving thanks. I'm looking towards the sun and I see a brighter day. I'm inviting you all along on this year journey to soak up some of the yard energy. Yeah, man, we're keeping it simple, all natural, no preservative, no additive. Yeah, man. But anyway, ramen I get cool. So I'm gonna do the usual. I'm gonna set you all up to, you know, soak up some of the yard energy. Yeah, man. The birds them out as usual, and the father just a smile. Yeah, smile at the world. It's a blessing, guys. Yeah, man. You know, most of you all out there are saying, "What happened to yard life?" I'm here, guys. Out of sight, but not out of mind. Yeah, man. As I said, there is so much to be done, and we just have to take it one step at a time. As a friend of mine, a fellow musician, a talented dude from St. Thomas, always say, yeah, man, Jamaica King, big up yourself, bro. Love and love alone, man. And the whole team, Charlie Pro, whole family. Yeah, man. We take it one step at a time. Nothing no come easy. Yeah, man. So one step, two step, three, and we are start from the doorstep. Now the thing of progress we never forget where we come from. Believe, man. Appreciate the support, guys. Yeah, man. For my new subs, love and love alone. Yesterday I met with a YouTuber, guys. Oh my girl. Mom's gonna bash me because I don't remember her name. But anyway, you know it's something go. We like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So as time progress, yeah, man, I'm gonna fill y'all in and what's taking place. She is a young YouTuber. Yeah, man. She do a liquor something. So you know it's something go. We always share love. And the elite, yeah, can't run without saying this. Yeah, man. Guys, Elite Jamaica is a history channel on Jamaica. Yeah, man. It's run by a friend of mine, close friend of mine. For those who have followed the Yard family from day one, y'all know Alex. Yeah, man. Alex is a brother from another mother. Yeah, man. Likewise, the Bigs and CD and the whole family. Yeah, man. As I say, outer sight, but not outer mind. But we're getting there. Love and love alone, guys. Yeah, man. Alex is a youth always up and active and I do the right thing. Always I support the Yard family on and off the screen. Yeah, man. Always. Believe, guys. Yeah, man. Even though y'all don't see Alex a Yard for this long while, you know, if something come down, it's just a matter of time for we link up and do up a few videos and, you know, zero in as brothers. And oh my God, guys, it's a lot of love. Trust me. Yeah, man. So much to be said, so much to be done in a short space of time. For now, this is it. Yeah, man. One love, guys. Stay strong. I remember now, walk with the most every time. That.